get to hear me now. Know you get stronger when you get older. Just don't show your shoulders when you get older. Things aren't easy, so just believe me now. If you don't keep it cool now, you'll never make a sound. All the lights will guide the way. If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now. Get to hear me now. The excuses aside, speak out your mind now. And don't let it slide, you're not always right now. The things aren't easy, so just believe me now. Don't learn the hard way, just let me show you how. All the lights will guide the way. If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear me now. 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 Get to hear me now.
Routine haze, concrete maze, I think I'm fading. Inside down, upside out, my soul is breaking. I can't stay, this place isn't big enough for me. I got a whole world left to see. No cheap philosophy, don't need designer dreams. It's all a load of shit to me. I wanna get high with a few good friends, hit the road, see where it ends. Kick up my feet in the backseat, bump up the fresh beats, rap-a-pa-pam-pam-pam. I wanna leave tracks on the untouched sand, follow the sun, see where it ends. Bring out some drinks and a fresh beat, bumping on repeat, rap-a-pa-pam-pam-pam. Turn it up. All those designer dreams don't seem like happiness to me.